Hey guys, it's Thursday, and this is going to be our final day of practicing 2 and 3 digit addition using the traditional method. So you should be feeling really confident in this area. If not, we need to be getting on office hours and asking for help, okay? So let me move that screen down. All right, it's Thursday. Okay, I'm gonna cruise through these ones because by now we've repeated these enough. You should know exactly what you're doing. What time is it? Showtime. Okay. Sorry, real distracted. Partition and label the shapes. Make sure that you are remembering to label them to show 2 equal parts. Okay. Little bit of work with place value. Quick addition, quick subtraction, and then boom, skip counting by 3s, bringing it back, okay? You should be feeling really good about counting by 5s, 3s, 4s, and 2s, okay? All right, traditional method for addition. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the partial sums, but it's not going to be there long, okay? You guys are doing a nice job with understanding how that works. You can even add this in your head using the partial sums, but we're going to see if we can shorten up some of this work using the traditional, okay? So the way this works, again, you're adding up your ones column, adding up your tens column, okay? So adding up the ones, 6 plus 8. By now we should know that one. We've seen it a lot. 6 plus 8 is 14, so I'm going to put the 4 right there and carry my 1 over to the 10 spot. Okay. Then we have 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 3 happens to be 10. And when I write that 10 in there, that bumps that over. Technically, this would be the hundreds spot. Okay. And that gives me 104, which happens to be exactly what happens when you add 90 plus 4. Okay. On this one, we're going to have I want to make sure that you're showing your work on this one and doing the partial sums. Okay, so break up those parts. Then we get into the hundred spot. Here it comes. Okay, so with this one, when you're carrying these parts, you've got to really make sure you're paying attention and starting with the ones column. It won't work if you start over here at the hundreds. I promise you. Okay. So starting in the ones, when you add up 5 plus 6, that gives you 11. So I'm going to bring my 1 here, and I'm going to carry my 1 over to the tens. Okay, so I know 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. I don't need to carry anything over to the 100 spot. And then that gives me 100 plus 200 is 300 for my answer of 371. So over here on your partial sums, remember, you're breaking those up into parts. So 100 plus, plus 300, not 300, plus 30, plus 5. Okay? And then this one, 236, break that one out. 200. You guys decide, am I getting better at writing with my mouse or worse? Plus 30, plus 6. Okay? Then you're adding up your ones. 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay, add up your tens. 30 plus 30 is 60. Whew. Plus, looking rough, 100 plus 200 is 300. I don't know why I showed all that work, but I did. So 300 plus 60 plus 11. Well, when you add 60 plus 11, that gives you 71. So that's going to give you a grand total of 371. Okay, the rest of these are all you guys, okay? You'll see you've got a lot of just showing the traditional. Make sure you're showing if you're carrying that 1 into the 10 spot or maybe even into the 100 spot, make sure you are showing that, okay? We are not mind readers as much as you think. Sometimes we are, but on Pear Deck, we are not mind readers. You've got to give us everything, okay? Again, more traditional addition practice. One more slide where you have 2 problems on each one. Make sure you're doing both of them. Ooh, that looks like an ultimate challenge page. And then, woohoo, you're finished, okay? That's all there is to it, guys. Don't work so fast if you're making silly mistakes with your addition, but it shouldn't take you too long. You guys are showing that you have a good, solid grasp on this. Good luck, guys. Jump on office hours if you have any questions. All right.